In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,250 in commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so I made this commission just in one single month, in the month of March, from the first day of March, okay, until the last day 31, okay, of March. I will click on update, okay, and as you can see guys, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is not screenshot, it's my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, I'm not showing you a screenshot like other people. I'm sharing with you my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so anyway, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $3,120 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and of course I will still get more commission in next few days. So it can be up to 10k or 12k again this month or more, we don't know, but I will share with you guys and I will keep you updated about this. Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, for beginners, so first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. Just come to this page, okay, and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr. Okay, they are really paying a good commission, so just click on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Okay, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. I will choose no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Okay, it's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so now I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr and click on the search for social media manager. Okay, search for social media manager. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of people here who are providing this service. Okay, so what you will do, I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, let's choose like this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this, and as you can see, this seller has a lot of orders in queue. Okay, and people keep coming back. A lot of people are buying this service, so it's working. Okay, people already are buying this service and people are searching for social media manager. Okay, what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, search for Pinterest. It's super easy. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and you just need to use your email address and that's it. And make sure to open business account, not personal account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one. And Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really a big number. Okay, you can get so much traffic, and a lot of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific products, and specific topics on Pinterest, and you can get so much traffic, like I said. So this will be your home page. Click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, and this is his video. Okay, let me see.
Are you looking for a digital marketing expert?
That's really good. Double click on his video and click on save video. Okay, and save this video to your laptop. Okay, manager, I'm gonna name it manager media. Click on save. Okay, save this video. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this video to your Pinterest account. Okay, open, and here you go. You need title, description, and your affiliate link. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title like this. Okay, and go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You have here about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, if you don't have this old plan, because I have a old Fiverr affiliate account, this account is maybe 3 years ago, or I opened this account, it's almost like 3 or 5 years ago. It's old account. Okay, you can copy this Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, you can copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, and this new plan is even better. Okay, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. Okay, if you have new accounts, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. You will choose this one, scroll down, put here tags. Okay, keyword. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. Okay, you will copy this one, go to Pinterest and put this keyword here. Use all keywords. Okay, marketing manager, I will copy this one. So just use all those keywords here like this. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Okay, it's really super easy, guys. That's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner. Okay, promote services that people will be interested to buy, that people already buying on Fiverr. Okay, start promoting those services on Pinterest. If you have new accounts, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot, your account will get banned. Okay, and you can promote a lot. Okay, you don't need to promote just one. So for example, like this one. Okay, so we choose this one in this video. Okay, I can search for another seller. Okay, let me show you. Like this one again. This one is level 2 seller. You can click on his service again. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You can copy his profile link, you will go back again to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here, okay, and click on this icon over here, delete this one, the first one, and put again another profile seller link here. Click again here and you have new affiliate link again. Go to Pinterest again and create new pin and promote new service. And this one is already on Fiverr. Okay, so if people buy this service, you will get commission because it's already, you already put this seller profile link in your Fiverr affiliate account, so it's already there. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check my YouTube channel. I share with you how you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube, Facebook groups, Instagram, Quora, and so much more for free. Okay, and see you in my next videos. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And by the way, guys, I'm working on a course that will be cover everything about affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, so this course will be ready maybe in 1 month or less, like I said. So stay tuned, guys. I will share everything in this course and see you in my next video.